Games are superior instructional tools when it comes to the learning of tacit knowledge. Tacit knowledge is the kind of knowledge that is difficult to learn from books or lectures. For instance, dealing with aggression, providing comfort or other social skills. Games can do the job. As a player in a serious game, you can have an active role in a clear operational context. For instance, you act as a business manager, solving problems and taking decisions to achieve the best possible result. Games offer action-bound experiences and enable you to learn from these. These experiences allow for learning the tacit, practical, implicit, intangible, subtle knowledge that cannot be provided by books. It's all about practical sensitivity. Reading a book about how to run a business is completely different from actually running a business, even if it's just in a game. Reading is a theoretical exercise. The game is a practical exercise. Reading is about knowing that, while playing is about knowing how. This distinction reflects two different modes of learning. Learning through information transfer versus learning from experience. There is no need to disqualify books as instructional tools. On the contrary, books are superior to games for the learning of declarative knowledge. That is, any knowledge that can be written down, that can be codified using symbols, that can be stored in text. Please do use books for that. But games allow for adding this tacit knowledge dimension. So books excel at declarative knowledge. Likewise, videos are good at providing linearly pre-structured, highly visualized information, be it without interaction. Human teachers in turn are probably the most versatile instructional agents. They have empathy, in principle, and they are capable of carefully diagnosing and addressing what the learner needs. Although games can handle textual information, the predominant model is experiential learning. It is learning by actually doing. Players are engaged in the tacit knowledge that covers the subtleties of knowledge in action that could never be conveyed by books. Playing a video game comes close to the good old apprenticeship learning, being submerged as an apprentice in the workplace, learning by doing under the guidance of a master and thereby getting hold of the relevant tacit knowledge.